Hello everyone, welcome to AI and more, and this is yet another tutorial where you're going to be learning how to change something from this. I saw someone last night to this. I saw someone last night. Wow. Hello everyone, welcome to yet another tutorial. This is AI and more, where we turn AI tools into real creative power. Today we're going to be looking at another method of making a song with Suno, whereby you can record, upload your audio, maybe from your DAW, from your phone, and later on turn into a professional sound or a professional song in Suno. This is how we do it. This is your Suno preface or your interface. Whenever we want to create a song manually, we utilize this option of create. We use this option of custom. You come to audio, you click audio, you say upload audio. You of course you'll choose the folder where you kept your song, all your audio you want to upload. You open it. Suno will open it. For your own safety, you can listen through, you see if it is the one that you want to upload. Yeah, that is my audio I recorded, and if you laugh, that will be a problem for you. You save. After saving, you click continue, and within a few seconds, if you have a faster internet, it will appear somewhere here. Okay, song details updated successfully. So search your song, and our song is successfully uploaded. Now this is the most important part, where we turn this audio into a professional music sound. You come to this very audio you've uploaded, click the three dots, go to remix, and then cover. So Suno will automatically detect the audio, and it will synchronize the lyrics down here. So these are the words in my audio. So you will type here your style, the style you want to make. For this video, I'm just going to create and see what Suno can do with this audio. Okay, looks like our versions are done. Let's listen through and see what we have here. I saw someone last night. Wow, wow. I'm really impressed by what I'm hearing. This is really cool. Anyway, let me play the audio I uploaded for you, and you listen. I saw someone last night. I feel my heart needs that person. I saw someone last night. Yeah. And this? I saw someone last night. I feel my heart needs that person. This is really beautiful. This is really beautiful and impressive. And then it is up to you to type in your style. Okay, for this video, for example, you can say make it reggae, and I will reggae. Okay, now we're gonna have the reggae version of this audio, and we shall see how it sounds like. Okay, it seems like our reggae versions are also ready. 2 versions. Let us have a listen of the first one. Whoa! reggae music. Okay.
I saw someone last night.
The second one.
I saw someone last night.
Okay. And it is so easy, so easy. You can record your sound with your phone, however fake your phone is. Make sure the sound is raw, it is original. I mean, there are no reverbs, no effects. So that is it, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.